Hello followers, in this video, I want to explore tools at Midjourney. In some of my tests, they even came out better than any videos above Midjourney, the best free Midjourney alternative. Midjourney is an amazing art generator. But it is not free, but you need a subscription. I recently began exploring the world of art with Midjourney. It's an online tool that can bring anthings from your imagination to life. No matter how surreal or abstract, if you're new AI art, Midjourney is perhaps the best rated for creating visual art. You enter a series of prompts and the AI will doing its best to depict your written command. It can generate a wide range of art styles, from painterly effects to hyper-realistic renders. To grade your own piece, enter one of the newbies groups. Add your own job of the constant stream of activity by typing /imagine, followed by brief description of your ideas. So the first thing, opening Discord and registration new account and downloading it for your Windows or using it on browser, it's up to you. Then go to the midjourney.com and register a new account. Remember that you have only an allowance of 25 jobs. It's enough to get grips with the tool, but it's necessary to subscribe to a paid plan to get any real usage out of it. You can subscribe for any plan, monthly or yearly, it's up to you. You can choose in standard plan or basic plan or pro plan. Then let's go to the newbies groups and going to setting by typing /setting, then click on enter and adjust your settings here. In my opinion, make it by default. As same as you see Midjourney version 4, base quality, style med, regular upscale, public mode, fast mode, but it's up to you, you can change it. After that, let's imagine together the first picture by typing /imagine and prompts your imagination. Then just typing cutest small Batman, chibi Pixar, colorful background, ethereal mist, digital art, perfect composition, beautiful detailed intricate insanely detailed octane render trending on ArtStation, 8K artistic photography, photorealistic, concept art, soft natural volumetric cinematic perfect light, chiaroscuro, award winning photograph, masterpiece, oil on canvas, Raphael, Caravaggio, Greg Rutkowski, Beeple, Beksinski, Giger, version 4, AR 16:9. The Midjourney bot will get to work generating your images, but you'll soon discover that this public group is way too hectic. You'll quickly lose your place conveyor belt of thousands of requests and results. If you scroll up again, you can look out for your own entry being highlighted with a color yellow background, but it will disappear again within seconds. Instead, click the little inbox icon in the top right and you'll find an option to jump to your most recent results. You can now adore your randomly generated images of cutest small Batman in a grid of 4 squares with a different imagination. Each result is unique. Some may be exactly what you had in mind. Others might be nothing like what you wanted. This guy is pretty cute. Once you have your results, you have a few options you can re-roll to regenerate a completely new set of images. Let's imagine again and imagine a different picture to see how creative artificial intelligence works. So that let's create other prompts, just typing female in dishabille, candle in a glass jar with table, fake realistic anime style, insanely detailed, cinematic, well-rendered matte fantasy painting by Jason Felix, by Steve Argyle, by Tyler Jacobson, by Peter Moorbacher, cinematic lighting, version 4. As you can see, there's many thousands of requests and results. Then just click the little inbox icon in the top right and you'll find an option to jump to your most recent results. As you can see, Midjourney is the best tools can imagination. Any ideas? House looks amazing and beautiful. Then let's upscale all pictures by clicking on icon down GERD images. Then just click the little inbox icon in the top right and you'll find an option to jump to your most recent results. You see looks cinematic candle in a glass jar with table and lighting looks like a reel. It isn't possible to specify exactly what you want to change, so it's worth remembering to allow the AI to realize vague concepts you have in mind, rather than try and make it create something really specific. Once you've upscaled an image, it has now been reproduced at a higher resolution. From here you can either open in browser and save the image, or try to upscale it further with light upscale redo, or the beta option. One is sharper, more detailed and a higher resolution than the other. Look out for weird glitches. So that let's create other prompts, just typing shabby fantasy dwarf, sword, wrinkled skin, cinematic lighting, epic pose, fine detailed armor, full body shot, version 4. And let's see how it's looking like. What let's discovering by scroll up or just click the little inbox icon in the top right and you'll find an option to jump to your most recent results. You can now adore your randomly generated images of shabby fantasy dwarf in a grid of 4 squares with a different imagination. Each result is unique. Some may be exactly what you had in mind. As you can see, Midjourney doing it better than any different tools can imagination. Any ideas? House looks amazing and beautiful. Then let's upscale all pictures by clicking on icon down GERD images. Others might be nothing like what you wanted. This guy is pretty cute. Once you have your results, you have a few options you can re-roll to regenerate a completely new set of images. It's really amazing tools I can't stop imagine. So that let's created the latest version of the imagination with other prompts, just typing close-up of an old steampunk gnome alchemist in a laboratory, with thick glasses and a beard, 4K, highly detailed, masterpiece, pretty face, digital illustration, cinematic lighting, realistic, sharp focus, centered, beautifully lit, bioluminescent by Stanley Artgerm version 4. So let's discovering what will appear with Midjourney bot images will be a different with other results, so that let's see how amazing imagination I shocked. It's really what I am looking for in my projects. Midjourney is the best option for anyone. As you can see, Midjourney gives a lot of options. You can request to modify the images if you do not have the required image, and you can save it on your device. All you have to do is imagine correctly. You can imagine anything. Midjourney can do it with simply, easily, way and high speed. I have made many pictures, all of that in a lot of time that does not exceed 10 minutes. You can also modify your personal photos. I will make a new video explaining ways to modify photos in Midjourney. Now you've created your first AI pieces, the next steps is to begin exploring some of the settings and to experiment with different prompts. I am planning on creating more Midjourney videos in the near future, so if you're new to my channel, I hope you stick around to join me as I share all the Midjourney tips, tricks and techniques that I have learned. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, for more videos are coming soon. Tell me your opinion in comments, above my explanation and my videos showing. Thanks you for watching, hopes that you enjoyed.